catch up with you guys later.
So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of my channel. So this is my third time traveling all the way to Lomé, Togo, and just so you know, on all three different locations there have been different experiences. So I paid 43 cedis for transport to a flower, and well, actually I didn't alight at a flower, I alighted at a stop to continue to one of the borders to cross, because you all know the borders are still not opened. So illegal means as always. Well, on my my first trip to Togo, I did recorded a video and all that, but unfortunately I lost it on YouTube. So this is just it wasn't really planned, but I still have to show you guys the road and all that. So yeah, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, subscribe if you're new to the channel, hit the like button, and then I'll see you in the video. See ya. So you all know, once you use the bus to a flower, the stop is always Sugar Copper. So this is me with a spicy gazette to munch on for the road, and yeah, that's just it for here. At my second location now, and I have to get another vehicle to the border. So yeah. So this is me right here at the stop, not a flower station. And then I got a bike to take me to one of the borders. You have to speak to a local to know where you won't be stressed and all that. And so I crossed to the next border, which is Togo right here, and then took another bike to Lomé. And this is the market to meet my rider. So enjoy the rest of the day.
So guys, I didn't do an intro because I was quite in a rush, but now I have arrived in Lomé safely. And yeah, I'm putting on these glasses because the sunlight is reflecting on my face. So at the moment I am waiting for the rider who will be picking me up, and I am here. My internet connection is so bad, I have to pay a whole lot of money to have access to internet on roaming. I've forgotten the name about it. So yeah, so once he comes, we hit the road and off we go. So I'll catch you guys and I will just tell you all about my. All right, so I sit with you. That's what I say.
Valeu. Olá, Romea.
Oh, the other one, Pure Plage.
Pure Plage, yeah,
Is
I
that
think
her?
he's the front, yeah, Pure Plage. Yeah, she is also my pet.
Yeah. That is so blue.
of the sea.
Oh, okay, that is what they meant. Guys, I'm finally at my location. I'm gonna have a blast. I'm definitely gonna help. Should be at packing up. I feel like I smell of kerosene right now, but this was entertaining and fun. I can't wait for the next episode. I'm so lucky I got out of the front seat to the back. Like it's crazy. Oh, hey guys, we just finished with the whole welcome, ceremony and cultural stuff and dance and all of it. This was just to show you guys how I came into Togo, how I was received. It was so beautiful, oh my gosh. And if you want all the dance, all the stuff about the cultural stuff, you know where to go. My new channel to experience the beautiful culture of the people of Togo. Okay, so I'm so tired, that's why I keep closing my eyes. So yeah, let's just end the vlog here. I look good, ain't I? I'll show you guys in the mirror soon.